Hey everyone, Tessa here. First, I want to thank Win for sending me this Activewear detergent for my honest review, so let's dive in. So I'm going to test out a couple of things today. This is going to be the first time that I'll be using this detergent. I want to test out this t-shirt. I wear this every day to work out, and I just work out at home, so it doesn't matter that I'm wearing the same shirt over and over again. So you can imagine the smell of the armpits. Really bad. And then I also have a swim cap. It's a unique sort of swim cap with this inner lining, which is a polyester lining. And I have been wearing it every day, 4 hours a day, well, 5 days a week, because I have a private swim school business, so I wear this when I'm teaching. And I need to wash it. It's pretty new, but I haven't washed it yet, and I really need to wash it. The smell of this is really horrible. And there's also some stain here and here. And this has to be done by hand, which is great. So I love this because it's going to be perfect for things that I need to hand wash and I can't put it into the washing machine. So it says for a small load to do 1 ounce of the detergent and 1 gallon of hot water. But my swim cap has to be done in cold water, so I'm going to do it in cold water and we'll see. Hopefully it still does a good job. And then, of course, this one I will do it in hot water. So I'm going to do 1 ounce of the detergent, so this cap is 1 ounce, so that makes it easy to measure. And then 1 gallon of water, so I'll go ahead and add 1 gallon of water and I'll be back. All right, so I have my gallon of water in here and the Win Activewear detergent, so I'm just going to go ahead and soak my swim cap. And it says to soak it for 20 minutes, so I will let that soak for 20 minutes and I'll be back. It's been 20 minutes, so time to take it out. And I should probably just rinse it off. That was nice and easy to rinse. The soap came out very fast. I have to hang it to dry now, so after it dries, I'll be able to tell if those stains were removed. All right, now it's time to do the t-shirt. It's ready to go, so I'm just going to soak this shirt for 20 minutes. By the way, I didn't mention this. I am using the Free and Clear, so it's fragrance free. And this is the best if you have sensitive skin. This is the one that you want to go with. All right, it's been 20 minutes. Oh, look at how dirty that water is. Wow, that's good. So I'm going to put this in through the washing machine because that's what you need to do. The instructions say soak first and then you just wash it like normal. I did see some reviews of individuals who tried this, and to them it didn't work at all. And I'm thinking, well, maybe they didn't read the instructions. Maybe they didn't soak the garments first, and they just threw it in the washing machine, added a little bit of Win, and just ran the washing machine. So make sure you soak it, and it should work. And I'll be back to let you know the end result. I'm back. It's the next day. That explains the wardrobe change and the laundry day hair. The results are in. And my 2 tests passed with flying colors. I have the fragrance-free detergent. There's no scent. It just smells really fresh. Just fresh and clean. It's really nice. And there were stains on here. I don't remember which side it was, but they are gone. And just a reminder, that was done in cold water, so very good results there. And then the other one, the t-shirt. Oh, it smells fresh and clean. It's amazing. It hasn't smelled that fresh and clean since it was new. This is really old. It's at least 10 years, maybe more. And this detergent is a game changer. I am really happy with it. Very excited. Highly recommend it.